All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to review how to um, attach audio to your text at the bottom. And this is actually the same for any of your flyover words, which I'll review in a separate video. So I'm going to go ahead and get my audio files onto here. So it's important that you have all of your audio files in a folder on your desktop. I've made my folder called eBook-Audio, and it is sitting on my desktop. And I have already converted any of the M4A from the voice memos files off of my phone to MP3 audio files. I just went ahead and looked that up online and just did an M4A to MP3 converter, and then I dragged my MP3 file inside of that folder. So what I need to do is I need to place that MP3 audio file next to the text that I will be putting the audio with. So what I need to go is I need to make sure InDesign is the application that is selected, and then I'm going to go File, Place, just like how we got our vectors into here. And then I need to select from my desktop, I need to select that audio file, that MP3 file, because that's the only audio file that InDesign will recognize. I select Open, and that little speaker is going to go ahead and follow my cursor. I'm going to drag out a little box, which is where the audio file will live. Important fact that your audio file has to actually live on your artboard or the page, what we would see on the iPad, okay? So it can't be over here in the margin or else it doesn't work. So now what I need to do is make sure that I have that interactive menu pulled up. Remember, to find that interactive menu, you go to Window, and then you go to Interactive, and then Buttons and Forms. And then once that is up, I'm going to go ahead and select the text box that I would like to turn into a button. And what I'm going to do is say, I'm going to add just one additional state to this button. So this is a button, and I do not want it to be on release or tap, so I want it to be on click. And then the event is on click, so when somebody clicks on that text, it will have an action, and that action is going to play a sound. Okay, so what I want that to do is I want this to play my audio for that page specifically. And so if I had multiple sound files, I would need to go to sound and I need to select that audio. But it's right there. And then all I need to do is make sure that this is on the click state. Okay, so that should be all I need to do to attach the audio to that text box. And now what I can do is go ahead and check that. I can click that little preview button if I wanted to, or I can go ahead and publish online. I like to look at it nice and big. So I click Publish Online up at the top, and if you've already published once, you can just go ahead and update that existing document and say Publish. You say OK, then it just takes a minute to go ahead and get those changes published to your ebook. Okay, it's updating my document. And then I can go ahead and view. I'm going to head to that page. It has the audio file. Mine comes on, it's really big for some reason. And when I click on that, and it works. Thanks for watching.